Hi everyone, I just wanted to do a quick video on how to post your personal profile and other assignments to your blog or your u.osu.edu webpage. Okay, so here first is my dashboard of my web page. If you look at my well, let me make this a little bit bigger. There we go. I am in the pages part of my dashboard, and what I need to do is I need to make a new page. So I would say add new, and this page is going to be personal profile. Okay, and here I need to just put the text of my personal profile. So let's just say I have this is my personal profile in Microsoft Word. I can select everything and then copy it and then go back over here and I can paste it. But you see there's no picture. Okay, it just has text. And so what I need to do is I need to put a picture here. So the picture that I have in my personal profile, which is right here, this motorcycle, I have that saved on my computer somewhere. I want to upload it. So I sit here, add media. I select the file. Let's go to anything here. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to choose anything, but here is a picture of an avalanche. Okay, let's say. So I open this. There's a picture of an avalanche. Let's say this is the picture, and you want to add this. If you want to put a caption here, you can also put the caption on the side. But let's just add this. Insert into page down here in the corner, and there it is. Okay. Now if I click on this, I can choose different ways to have the text wrap around it, like this way, and then I can grab the picture and put it anywhere I want to, like right here. Whoops. Right again. Here we go. Let's put it up a little bit further. Maybe right there. Whoops. What happened? There it is. I don't know. I'm going to put it up here somewhere. Excuse me. I think I can also... There we go. Let's just put it right there. And if I want to put the picture, I can add a caption. I can actually click on, I think, edit. Is that right? Edit this. And I can put the caption here. This is my home. Okay. And you can also put the web address of where you got it from right here too. Okay. And that would be important if you borrowed it from someplace. You say update, there it is, and if I say preview, look at my page, there's my page, personal profile with a picture, and here's the caption. Okay, so that's how you would do that.